Every morning, millions of seniors start the day with oatmeal, believing it is the safest and healthiest breakfast. But after 60, certain habits with oatmeal can quietly harm your kidneys. Adding the wrong sweeteners, eating oats raw, ignoring water, or choosing poor quality brands. Each of these may slowly turn a healthy bowl into a source of trouble. Your kidneys, already working harder with age, cannot afford these silent mistakes. I know you want a breakfast that gives steady energy, protects your heart, and supports your independence, not one that increases risk of swelling, high blood pressure, or fatigue. That is why this video matters. Today, I will reveal the most common oatmeal mistakes seniors make, explain why they are dangerous for your kidneys, and show you simple adjustments that protect your health. Stay with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes could completely change the way you prepare your morning oats. One of the most common mistakes with oatmeal happens before you even cook it, at the supermarket. In the United States, most oats sold in Walmart, Costco, or local stores are conventionally grown. They are sprayed with pesticides, especially glyphosate. For years, many believed oats were naturally clean. But research shows residues remain in non-organic oats. And for seniors over 60, this matters. When kidneys already filter more slowly, even small traces of toxins can accumulate. Adding silent stress. Take Barbara, 67. She proudly swapped sugary cereal for a large bag of instant oats from Costco. The label promised heart healthy. She felt confident eating it daily. Months later, her lab results revealed higher inflammation. Her doctor explained, oats are healthy, but conventionally farmed versions may carry hidden burdens. For older adults, those burdens often fall directly on the kidneys. Glyphosate and similar chemicals are not harmless. Studies link them to hormonal disruption, oxidative stress, even cancer. More importantly for seniors, they worsen inflammation. That erosion of kidney health brings fatigue, joint pain, and immune decline. What seems like normal aging may in fact be your body struggling against chemical residues. The safer path is organic oats. Brands like Bob's Red Mill, Nature's Path, or store brands at Whole Foods provide certified organic options. Yes, they cost a bit more, but seniors can save by buying in bulk, splitting bags with family, or catching sales. Compared to medical bills, the difference is minor. Choosing organic gives your kidneys a lighter workload and your body cleaner fiber, protein, and micronutrients. So next time you reach for a bag of oats, pause and look for the green USDA organic seal. It may feel like a small choice, but for seniors after 60, it is daily protection for your kidneys. Have you ever checked if your oats are organic? Or do you usually grab the cheapest bag on the shelf? In the next part, we will look at another habit that seems innocent, but can quietly cause more harm: adding the wrong kind of sweetness to your oatmeal. The second mistake with oatmeal is not about the oats themselves, but what we add to them. In America, it is common to see seniors sprinkle brown sugar, drizzle corn syrup, or use artificial sweetener packets over their morning bowl. It feels harmless. After all, oatmeal is still the base. But after 60, these choices can quietly undo the very benefits you expect. Refined sugar causes a quick rise in blood glucose, forcing the pancreas to release more insulin. Over time, this cycle fuels weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and inflammation, all of which strain the kidneys. High fructose corn syrup, often found in flavored instant oatmeal, is even worse. It promotes fat buildup around the liver. It increases uric acid levels and raises the risk of kidney stones. Artificial sweeteners may seem safer, but research shows they disrupt the gut microbiome. They alter metabolism, and they can increase cravings for sweets. For seniors, these disruptions make blood pressure harder to control and fatigue more frequent. Take John, 72. He loved adding 2 spoonfuls of sugar to his oatmeal every morning. He believed it was a small indulgence, especially compared to donuts or pancakes. But after routine lab work, his doctor warned that his A1C was rising. John realized the healthy oatmeal habit was sabotaged by one simple addition. His story is not rare. Millions of older Americans unknowingly follow the same pattern. The solution is not to eat bland food, but to sweeten smartly. Fresh fruit, bananas, apples, or blueberries provide natural sweetness plus fiber and antioxidants. Dried fruits like raisins or dates work too, but in small amounts to avoid overload. Cinnamon, nutmeg, or unsweetened cocoa add flavor without sugar spikes. A drizzle of pure maple syrup or raw honey can be used occasionally, but in moderation. These swaps turn oatmeal into a heart-friendly, kidney-safe breakfast that still feels enjoyable. Next time you reach for sugar or a sweetener packet, pause and ask yourself, is this helping my kidneys or hurting them? Have you ever tried using fruit or spices instead? In the next part, we will discuss another habit that seems convenient but hides a serious risk: eating oats raw or without proper preparation. The third mistake many seniors make with oatmeal is eating it raw. It often looks simple and trendy. Sprinkle dry oats into yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or grab an energy bite made with raw oats. Social media makes this habit seem healthy and convenient, but for people over 60, raw oats carry hidden problems that slowly chip away at kidney health and overall nutrition. Raw oats contain high levels of phytic acid. This compound binds to minerals such as iron, zinc, and magnesium. Instead of being absorbed, these nutrients pass out of the body unused. For younger people, this might cause little trouble. But after 60, when nutrient absorption is already less efficient, the effect becomes serious. Low iron can lead to fatigue. Low zinc weakens the immune system. Magnesium deficiency contributes to muscle cramps and high blood pressure. And kidneys, which depend on these minerals for balance, face even greater strain. Consider Linda, 70. She loved making morning smoothies with raw oats. She believed it was a power breakfast that saved time. But over months, she noticed increasing tiredness and restless legs at night. Her doctor found mild anemia and magnesium deficiency. The culprit was not oats themselves, but the way she was eating them, unsoaked, unprepared, and hard for her body to use. The solution is simple. Let time and preparation work for you. Soak oats in water, milk, or almond milk for at least 4 to 6 hours. Overnight oats stored in a mason jar not only reduce phytic acid, but also soften the grain, making it easier to digest. Cooking oats gently on the stove or in the microwave breaks down phytic acid even further. Pairing oats with vitamin C-rich fruit like strawberries or oranges enhances iron absorption, giving your kidneys and your body the minerals they truly need. If you enjoy convenience, prepare 2 or 3 jars of overnight oats at once. They last in the fridge for several days and save time in the morning. Flavor them with cinnamon, chia seeds, or Greek yogurt for extra nutrition. So before you add dry oats into your smoothie tomorrow, pause and ask, is my body really getting the benefit, or am I just filling up on empty fiber? In the next section, we'll explore another overlooked mistake: forgetting hydration, an error that can silently turn even well-prepared oats into digestive trouble. The fourth mistake with oatmeal has nothing to do with the oats or toppings. It is forgetting water. Oatmeal is naturally high in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan. When mixed with enough liquid, this fiber forms a soft gel. It slows digestion, it lowers cholesterol, and it protects the gut. But without adequate hydration, the same fiber becomes heavy, sticky, and difficult to move through the intestines. For seniors, this often leads to bloating, constipation, and reduced nutrient absorption. And when digestion slows, kidneys face extra stress handling waste. Think of Robert, 69. He loved his daily oatmeal, but drank only a single cup of coffee in the morning. Over time, he noticed frequent constipation and fatigue. His doctor explained that coffee is not the same as water. The fiber in oats was absorbing liquid, but his body had little left to keep stools soft and kidney function smooth. By simply adding 2 glasses of water before lunch, Robert felt lighter, more energetic, and his lab tests showed improved kidney markers. This story highlights an important truth. Hydration is not optional. After 60, the body's natural thirst signals weaken. Seniors may not feel thirsty until dehydration has already begun. Yet kidneys depend on water to filter toxins, regulate blood pressure, and prevent stones. Oatmeal without enough water can turn a healthy breakfast into a burden. The solution is straightforward. Aim for 8 to 10 cups of fluid daily. Plain water is best, but herbal teas, sparkling water, and foods rich in water, such as watermelon, cucumber, or oranges, also count. When eating oatmeal, pair it with a glass of water, not just coffee or juice. If you enjoy variety, try adding coconut water or diluted lemon water to your morning routine. So the next time you prepare oatmeal, ask yourself, am I giving my body the hydration it needs to unlock the benefits of fiber? Have you noticed changes in digestion when you drink more water? In the next section, we'll explore another often ignored mistake: storing oats improperly, an error that can quietly turn a healthy staple into a risky source of mold and nutrient loss. The 5th mistake with oatmeal is often overlooked: ignoring expiration dates and storing it the wrong way. Many seniors in America buy large family-size bags of oats from Costco or Walmart. They believe those bags will last forever in the pantry. But oats, like any grain, are sensitive to air, moisture, heat, and time. When stored carelessly, they lose nutrients, and they can even turn dangerous. Expired oats may look normal, but vitamins like B1 and antioxidants, such as avenanthramides, degrade over time. That means less support for your energy, nerves, and heart health. Worse, oats stored in warm or damp conditions can develop mold. One type, Aspergillus, produces aflatoxin, a toxin linked to liver damage, immune suppression, and increased cancer risk. For seniors, whose bodies are already less resilient, even small amounts of these toxins can create serious problems and add strain to the kidneys. Consider Mary, 74. She kept an open bag of oats in her pantry for over a year. She didn't notice the stale smell and continued eating them daily. Over time, she experienced unusual stomach discomfort and more frequent fatigue. Only after her daughter asked about the oats did she realize they were months past expiration. Switching to a fresh, properly stored supply brought noticeable improvement in digestion and energy. The solution is simple, but it requires mindfulness. Always check the best buy date before buying. Once opened, transfer oats to airtight containers, preferably glass jars or BPA-free plastic bins. Keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. For long-term storage, freezing or refrigerating oats can extend freshness for months without harming flavor. If you notice any off smell, discoloration, or clumping, it is safest to discard them. So next time you pour oatmeal into your pot, ask, how fresh are my oats really? Do I treat them like a living food, or just a dry staple that never spoils? In the next section, we'll uncover 2 more mistakes: adding processed toppings and overcooking. Both can silently strip away the very health benefits you expect from your morning oats. The 6th and 7th mistakes with oatmeal often happen in the kitchen. One is adding the wrong toppings. The other is cooking oats for too long. Both seem small, but together, they can quietly erase the very health benefits that make oatmeal a favorite breakfast after 60. Many seniors in America reach for quick flavor boosters, chocolate syrup, flavored creamers, sweetened cereals, or instant flavor packets. They make oats taste richer, but they are packed with sugar, preservatives, and artificial colors. These additions spike blood sugar, they fuel inflammation, and they overwhelm kidneys, already filtering more slowly with age. Processed toppings also add sodium and unhealthy fats, which counteract oatmeal's heart protective qualities. Take David, 71. He thought topping his oatmeal with a scoop of strawberry ice cream was a harmless treat. It became a daily habit. Soon his blood pressure climbed, and swelling in his ankles worsened. His doctor explained the irony. The oats were healthy, but the processed topping turned them into a burden. David switched to fresh strawberries and a few walnuts. Within weeks, his energy improved. The other mistake is overcooking. To achieve creamy texture, many boil oats on high heat for too long. But heat destroys delicate B vitamins and antioxidants like avenanthramides, compounds that protect the heart and reduce inflammation. Overcooked oats also become gluey, discouraging regular eating. Every extra minute on the stove strips away nutrients seniors need most. The solution is balance. Keep toppings natural. Berries, bananas, apples, plain Greek yogurt, or nuts. These not only add flavor, but also enhance nutrition with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. As for cooking, use gentle heat. Rolled oats require only a few minutes of simmering. Steel-cut oats can be soaked overnight and cooked briefly the next morning. This preserves nutrients while still providing warmth and comfort. So ask yourself, do my toppings truly support kidney and heart health? Or do they undo my effort? Do I cook oats for nourishment or just habit? In the final section, we'll bring everything together. How small daily choices can turn oatmeal into a true ally for energy, kidneys, and healthy aging. Caring for your kidneys after 60 is not about perfection. It is about awareness and small daily choices. In this video, we have seen how oatmeal, often called the healthiest breakfast, can quietly harm if prepared the wrong way. Non-organic oats carry pesticide residues. Added sugars and artificial sweeteners fuel inflammation. Eating oats raw blocks nutrient absorption. Skipping water turns fiber into a burden. Ignoring expiration dates risks mold and toxin exposure. Processed toppings and overcooking strip away essential vitamins. Each mistake may look small, but together, they place extra weight on kidneys that are already working harder with age. The hopeful news is that every mistake has a simple solution. Choose organic oats when possible. Sweeten with fruit and spices instead of sugar. Soak or cook gently to unlock nutrients. Drink enough water to help fiber do its job. Store oats wisely and check freshness. Use natural toppings and avoid boiling them to death. These are not extreme diets. They are adjustments that make a familiar breakfast truly protective. Imagine beginning your mornings not with fatigue or bloating, but with steady energy, lighter digestion, and confidence that your kidneys are supported. That is the gift of using oatmeal wisely after 60. You deserve meals that fuel your independence, your walks, your family time, and your joy. So now I ask you, which mistake have you been making with your oatmeal? Share in the comments. I would love to hear your story. And if this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. In the next video, we will uncover another hidden risk in common senior foods that most people never suspect. Stay tuned, because knowledge is power, and power means health.